Nice thing about being a movie maker is I can always change my mind. My little gyro is not holding an idle. Therefore, I just got in this new bi-starter, and the one thing I noticed when I pulled the old bi-starter is that this O-ring right here had crept up and overlapped out of its groove. And I'm thinking maybe that caused a leak with air. Then here's a little screw I was looking for that I lost. It holds down one end of the bi-starter. So what I'm going to do is take the old plug-ins that are stock, and I'm going to splice them into a new into the new bi-starter. But this air cleaner unit is just it's trippy as hell. The one thing about it is that this is the air cleaner unit right here. It's only 3 inches by 5 inches. It's got a little steel frame that goes in right here. The air comes in through these 3 little ducts from this side and goes into this unit right here, and then comes around and goes into the carburetor. And the carburetor has got an anti-air thing, water thing, excuse me, right here that allows any water that gets into the air filter to pool in the bottom right here, and it goes out this little tiny hole in the bottom. Then I have my little cool looking 33-year-old coil hooked up to the spark plug deal. And the one thing I noticed about this bike, all right, now it's made in Japan. Okay, it says Japan right there, right? Up here it says Toyo something company Ltd. I don't know, I can't see the light that well. Then of course on the front they have caution, how to soak the air cleaner and everything, and then they have Toyo Roko, whatever it is. But there is no Japanese writing on this bike at all, none. This was built in Japan for the Japanese market, and there's no Japanese writing on it, which I noticed was kind of different. So I'm going to clean this up. I pulled the oil filter, pump, which is leaking. I'm going to go down and get a new O-ring for it, and hopefully that problem will be solved. I just want to show really cool little 33-year-old parts and how they still hold up. This is Japanese quality. This is what it is, baby. It lasted 33 years. You know you're getting a good product. God bless Honda.